So here's a scenario that'll keep you up at night. What if you make the big move to Richmond just in time to discover that all the locals are moving away? In this video, we'll take a hard look at the migration stats, at the net change in Richmond's population over the last few years, and the 5 most popular destinations for those who are saying goodbye to River City. In 2025, thousands of people packed their bags and walked away from the Richmond Metro area. But don't panic, Richmond is not emptying out. In fact, thanks to an influx of people from places like Northern Virginia, New York, and California, RVA is still growing. Over the past 5 years, Richmond City has added 10,000 residents, and almost 40,000 moved into Chesterfield, Hanover, and Henrico counties. Census data confirms that the Richmond Metro is the fastest growing region in the Commonwealth of Virginia. But the fact remains, each year, lots of locals choose to pack up and leave. So where exactly is everyone going? And if you're new to this channel, my name is Somerville. I'm a local real estate agent here in Richmond. If you're looking to buy, sell, or relocate anywhere in the Richmond area, all my contact details are in the description below. I'd love to help. Coming in at number 5 is our neighbor to the north, Maryland and the Washington, D.C. Metro. Now, this is rarely a move made for affordability or taxes. Maryland's income tax is structured differently, and the cost of living in the DMV is notoriously higher than here in Richmond. So why are people moving there? 2 words: career advancement. While Richmond has a stable economy supported by Fortune 500 companies, state government, and healthcare, the DC-Maryland corridor offers massive scale for federal contracting, tech, biotech, and global corporate roles. Many young professionals or specialized executives find that to take that next major step in their career and to achieve that 6-figure salary, they have to make the move up Interstate 95. Number 4 on the list takes us to South Carolina. This move is almost entirely driven by 2 demographics: retirees looking to stretch their pensions, or families looking for a milder climate and coastal lifestyle. Places like Greenville, Charleston, and the Myrtle Beach area are major magnets for ex-Richmonders. Property taxes in South Carolina are significantly lower than here in Virginia, and you completely escape Richmond's personal property tax on vehicles. Plus, while Richmond gets a true 4 seasons, South Carolina offers that year-round warmth and proximity to the ocean that a lot of people crave as they get older. By the way, taxes here in Metro Richmond can be difficult to understand. Each jurisdiction has its own tax rates. The amount of tax you pay for your house, your car, or even your steak dinner can differ widely. If you want to know how the tax rates compare, shoot me a text or book a quick 15-minute Zoom call using the link in the description below. I don't want you to have any unpleasant surprises. Number 3 is a powerhouse economy that is pulling people from all over the country: Texas. When Richmonders move to Texas, they're typically headed toward one of the 3 major metros: Dallas, Houston, or Austin. This move comes down to economic opportunity and sheer space. Texas has no state income tax, an incredibly business-friendly climate, and mega job opportunities in tech, energy, and healthcare. If you're a family in Richmond feeling cramped in a Churchill row home or facing stiff competition for a place in Henrico or Chesterfield, Texas offers massive master plan communities with sprawling square footage for your money. So here's the catch: Texas property taxes are among the highest in the nation. So while you trade away the Virginia income tax, you will make up for it on your annual home tax bill. It's a trade-off a lot of corporate relocations are willing to make. Number 2 on the list is the Sunshine State, Florida. For decades, Virginia has seen a steady stream of residents head down to Florida, particularly retirees and sun seekers. Florida offers 0 state income tax, warm weather, and a completely different pace of life. But there's a new trend happening here that we have to talk about. While a lot of people do leave Richmond for Florida, we're also seeing a major boomerang effect. Lately, many folks who moved from Richmond to Florida are actually returning. Why is that? Because Florida is currently facing an insurance crisis. Homeowners insurance premiums and HOA fees down there have skyrocketed, closing the affordability gap. Additionally, many ex-Virginians start to miss the true seasons, the rolling hills, and the historic character that Virginia has in spades. Florida is flat and mostly new construction, while Richmond has deep-rooted soul and history. And the number 1 state that Richmonders are relocating to, it's right across the border, North Carolina. Specifically, people are flocking to the Raleigh-Durham Research Triangle area, as well as Charlotte. North Carolina is Richmond's biggest regional competitor, and it makes total sense why. The state has aggressively lowered its flat income tax rate, aiming to go even lower in the years ahead. making it highly attractive financially. The Triangle area offers a thriving tech and research job market that rivals Northern Virginia, but with a more southern lifestyle that feels more familiar to Richmonders. When people leave Richmond for North Carolina, they're looking for a slightly bigger stage. Charlotte offers a massive banking hub and professional sports like the Panthers and Hornets, while Raleigh offers incredible school systems and a booming economy. And both are close enough to Virginia that you can easily drive back to visit family in Richmond over the weekend. So what does this data actually tell us about the Richmond market? Is RVA in trouble? Absolutely not. What we are seeing here is a natural, healthy churn. As local housing costs have risen, some long-term residents are realizing that they can cash out on their equity and move to states that have lower taxes or better job prospects. But remember, for every person leaving Richmond, someone else is moving in. We're seeing a steady migration of buyers moving down from Northern Virginia, DC, and New York. To them, Richmond's $400,000 median price is an absolute steal, and our quality of life is unmatched. This inbound pressure keeps our property values stable and our local economy vibrant. Whether you're looking to buy a home in Richmond or sell your home and join the exodus, I'm here to make that transition seamless. Give me a call. Send me a text, request a free copy of my Richmond home buying guide, or schedule a 15-minute Zoom consultation using the link right below this video. I absolutely have your back.